Alrighty, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, everyone. Um, Hope everyone had a great weekend. Of course, as we always do, we're going to jump right on to the charts here. So, the main pair I'm going to be looking at today for today's session is going to be GJ here. And with GJ, we have this active range right now. So, it was a nice range here. I have been tracking this. Saw this right here, this potential right here of a nice equal movement here on top of the this range. Second tap on top here, and this is about what an hour ago right here, and this drop. So this again is a nice range. It's at least a 2 TP setup here. It went down almost what 37 pips. And just keeping an eye on this. Now I may consolidate here slightly before dropping down here. Could I consider a smaller range right here? I think this is a little too small to consider right here. This one right here. Yeah, a little too small, but nonetheless, on this end right here, could I consider this right here? So from here to here, with the drop to the bottom here, that's something I'll be interested in actually. USD CAD again has this range level here as well. Gonna keep an eye on this, but the main pair I'm looking at is GJ for now. And this larger range, I mean, it's a beautiful range right here. You can see equal movements on top and bottom. It did break out from here, this earlier range where it closed Friday, and then with the Sunday opening, as I live in the Eastern time zone here. So we had the Sunday opening right here and all the way into Monday morning where we are now. And we see this. So guys, yeah, I think, yeah, this smaller range here is going to be tradable to the downside here. So I like this setup here. Let me just see here. Again, we're still half an hour away from London opening, but I like this setup here because again, I do see there's the EMA tapper there as well. And can we get a push above here? Because again, the 15-minute EMA is down here. So I like this. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at this. $182, $475. 475. Oh wow. I mean, if obviously it continues to dump down here, then there's no point in looking at this. But if I can capture this while we may have a chance here, why not? Okay, perfect. SL. So 22 pips. 20 and 22 6. But that's not 86.90. 695 actually. 182.475 and then 182.255. Alrighty. So I'm gonna wait for a new 5-minute candle. Of course, I'm gonna wait for a push above here. There's a wick above here, right here. So where price is right now, and this wick right here, it's about 3.5 pips. So I'm looking for another 4 to 5 pips above before setting these sell stops. Okay, price has no top wick right now. This is a new 5-minute candle. It broke above and opened above the EMA here, so that's okay. And I'm still looking at this range here. It's looking pretty clean here. Look at USD CAD here as well. I think this range could work as well, but not leaning on that. Let me see GDA here. So price 182.475. Stop loss at 182.695 and 182.255. All right, here's the push. Again, one more push here. I need to break above this previous wick right here. Can I break a little bit more here? So that's 2 pips plus. Yeah, another 3 pips above, and I'm going to set this, guys. I like the chances of this, but it's still going to keep with safety measures here just so I don't get tapped in too early. Again, there's a decent amount of time before London opening as well. Can I get one more push above here? One more push. So I'm going to put the level right here. Yep, it's coming up here. One more push. And we got about, how many pips is this? About almost 4. I need at least 4.5 for this specific range right here. If it doesn't give in, I'm not going to take it, guys. Because it can pretty much just break over this previous wick right here. Previous high right here of this existing range or potential range here. So I'm going to keep with safety measures here and not allow myself to enter this too early. It needs to break above that. And again, it's a new 5-minute candle here. So we could get some bullish, a bullish run here. Slight bullish run. And then it could drop right back. And here it is. Here it is. Come on, just a little bit more. Ooh. Man. I may come and attempt another one here. Let's see. Let's go on a 3-minute here. And can certainly break above. One more chance here. Come on. I'd love to enter this setup here, but again, need full confirmation right here. Yep, here it comes again one more time. Come on, DJ, break above that level now this time. Let's go. So again, fingers on the trigger here. So I could place his buy stop. Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay, a little bit more of a push. One more. All right, guys. Place the sell stops. Place the sell stops. It broke above. Gave me that 5 pip of a distance here between the price and the sell stops. About 4.5. That's good. 4.6. Not bad. Here it is. A bigger push here. No problem. But I am in these sell stops here. And again, we have a decent amount of time before London opening. So for me, I'm satisfied with the placement here and just waiting for them to be, the sell stops to be executed here. Let's see. Here is dropping. About to be tapped in, guys. About to be tapped in for the first setup of the week. First setup of Monday. Just going to scale down to 3 minutes just to see here. So we do have another 5-minute candle coming up in less than 2 minutes here. And look at that. Ideally, I would like this 5-minute candle to come right back down and close bearish here underneath the 5-minute EMA, 5-minute EMA, because I don't want to be tapped in late into this 5-minute candle closure here. I mean, we got just less than a minute left now. So ideally, if it continues up here, if it's kind of roaming around here, I wouldn't mind it pushing above here. So don't get tapped in with a new 5-minute candle. The next 5-minute candle, the new 5-minute candle, could come up, hit this level right here, and then boom. And I'm not looking to adjust the sell stops unless it gives a nice bullish push. But if it does, then it's just might as well just get to the top here. So I don't need to adjust it. And I'm just going to wait out till it reaches the top here. Again, USD CAD, I'm still looking at this. Again, too small of a range here. Way too small. But here it is, guys. New 5-minute candle is coming up. Again, not tapped into this setup yet. Patiently waiting here. And here's a new 5-minute candle. Look at that push. So perfect. So again, oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my god, what's going on? Was there news today? Oh wow. Talk about wow. All right, guys, remove the sell stops just so yeah, remove the sell stops. I'm looking at oh wow, look at this push. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time here, but I'm trying to set it right here, guys. 670, 182, 670 or 700 actually. Let's go 700. Not setting these yet, guys. I'm just taking a look what's going on. This is GJ's gone crazy here. 25. So 975. $700. 950. Again, GJ still has that volatility, I guess, from last week. Hasn't stopped yet. We know what happened with GJ last week. Midweek. And all the way to Friday. But wow, look at this. Wow. Still continuing that volatility, guys. So see, now look at that. 2-hour EMA is right there now. And that's why I did not look into selling right here. Again, we understand Monday. But wow, look at this push, guys. It's 30 pips above. Again, cross is moving exactly. Yep, that is correct. Looking at USD CAD instead now. I mean, if we can get this. This is too small right now. But now G-Day, again, we have the 2-hour close coming as well with London opening, right? So that 2-hour close does it continue pushing all the way up? I mean, we do understand that G-Day dropped significantly from right here, right? This is where, yeah, that's 2 weeks ago. Here it was. So last week it was in this range, and then boom, this drop right here. Now it's coming and tapping the 2-hour EMA here. Where's the 4-hour EMA? So yeah, it can certainly get to the 4-hour EMA as well. But good thing that was avoided. That could have been a mess. Here's the 2-hour. Again, it could get to the 4-hour here, guys. This is just, I guess it's making the full pullback from that push down here on the left. Let's go to the 4-hour here. Look at the left here. So it's kind of pulling right back up. Here's the 2-hour EMA. Now it's pushing through that. So 4-hour is next here. Next major EMA that's recognized. And here is USD CAD here. Yeah, this is something I could look at as well. I'm just gonna take a look what's going on with GJ here. So 2 hour EMA, did it tap it? Oh yeah, of course it tapped it. Does it continue pushing up here? Alrighty. All right, here we have it. Let's see. So you can see now from the existing range that it was in, which we are about to, enter, a few pips shy of that. It moved up now from this candle right here. It moved up almost 100 pips, guys. Wow. This is literally in what? This is a 5-minute candle right here. So the previous 5-minute candle that just closed moved up 90 pips in 5 minutes. Insane. So yeah, that GJ sell stop was removed, of course, and now GJ has tapped it to our EMA. It has no bottom wick right now. No bottom wick. Does it push itself back in that range in next 14 minutes, because this is a 2 hour candle and the 2 hour candle is going to close in 13 minutes right before London opening. I doubt that it's going to go back 100 pips in 13 minutes and is pushing well above the 2 hour EMA, which again it could retrace and come back with the new 2 hour candle opening, but the 4 hour EMA looks promising here. So again, I'm gonna leave out GJ for now. I don't want to enter something that's could easily tap us out in seconds here, just because of some uncertainty. Of course, is making that full pushback right back to off to the moon, exactly, right? So it's coming right back where it had made that full push down from last week right here. So you can see relatively this was consistent, these ranges. Even on the larger end, it was consistent. Even this range, it was consistent. And then the drop happened here. So I think it Wednesday. Yeah. Wednesday, and then boom. And now it's making that full pullback, right? Potentially. I mean, where's the daily EMA? Yep, daily EMA is right there. Look at that. So it can certainly reach there. And it could enter this larger range back in here. But, yeah. It's not looking like it'll come back in there. But again, can't say for sure, but what I can say is that it's probably not the best time to trade GJ right now. Yes, it's in a breakout phase for the ranges. Again, majority of the time the markets are in consolidation, especially December. Right, less movement in December, but wow, I mean mid-December here could be something here. As GJ still has a lot of a volume here, and a lot of volatility. So yeah, I'm going to consider this USD CAD sell stop instead. This looks more promising. Of course, this is also in a range, and you can see that it's been relatively respecting these levels here. So could consider this. Again, not going to force an entry here. Again, it is a Monday. It was NFP on Friday. So there's a lot of post NFP reaction as well, and into the new week now, and we haven't even entered London opening yet. So relatively, again, if Monday's a little slow, or if Monday, you don't want to put yourself in that position of entering too many trades. I think that's a good position to have, especially after a lot of volatility on Friday, right? And last couple of days of last week. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this. I think it is a tradable range, early range formation here, but 135.9515. Okay, let's take a look here. So 10 pips is what I'm looking for. It's not even going to give us 10 pips. I guess I can look for 9.5. Let's do 9.5. 9.5. Yep. Let's keep an eye on GJ here as well. How many pips is this? 21 pips. Wow. Okay. I mean, it is pushing back strong here, but over here, no, nothing yet for GJ, guys. So I'm not gonna force anything there. 136.010 and 135.820. Alrighty. Okay. 35820, 136.010, 135.95. Perfect. 9.5 pips both sides. It is at the entry level here of the sell stops here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till, again, there's no top wick. Wait till it gets up to 2 to 2.5 pips above. We are about 8 minutes away from London opening, so I'll see how that goes. But nonetheless, waiting for it to break slightly above this EMA, this 5-minute EMA, and then actually the 15-minute EMA is there as well. 30 just got crossed. 1 hour EMA is right there. 2-hour EMA is at the bottom there. Where's the 4 hour? 4 hours right there. So yeah, this whole range is full of EMAs, guys. So especially the larger EMAs are below the price, well into the short position. So that's a good thing. But I'll consider if it breaks above the EMA here, as I do believe GJ will continue moving up. And I think this is a fair setup here as well for USD CAD. Again, GJ and USD CAD were moving in the same direction. And still quite, to some degree, are, but I feel, again, USD CAD is more relaxed here. So, of course, with what GJ just did right here. So we'll take a look. Again, here comes USD CAD. Okay, just waiting. We got 2 minutes left before another 5-minute candle close and new 5-minute candle opening, which will be the last 5 minutes before London opening. And man, DJ just, it's gone crazy here. Let's see, 24 pips right here. Again, London opening's coming, so this could be a range right here. Again, I had to scale down to the 3-minute time frame just to see what's really going down here, but way too early. Oh, here comes USD CAD. So again, I have everything set for the sell stops. I just have to place the order here, and again, waiting for this a break above the EMA here. We got 1 minute left before the 5-minute candle opening, the new 5-minute candle opening here, and it has not tapped the EMA yet. So what I can consider now is wait for the new 5-minute candle. Maybe that candle will break above the EMA, and then I can go ahead and safely set the sell stops. Of course, well, here it just got tapped here. Of course, now if you want to wait until London opening, that's another thing you can do. But for me, is I believe GJ may continue moving up here, so I may want to set the sell stops here. I'm waiting for the new 5-minute candle here. Here it comes. And does it tap that 5-minute EMA one more time? One more time. Here it comes. All right, guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and set the sell stops here. Yep. I'm going to set the sell stops. There's a non-wick candle above here and a non-wick candle up here as well, but I feel GJ is going to continue moving up here. Nonetheless, USD CAD didn't end up pushing up here, so that's okay. I could see something like this as well. So if I do see that, I'm going to adjust the sell stops. But for now, if it reverses, it's going to come right back in that range here. So, or potential range right here. But certainly this could also be in play as well, right? Because it's the early range formation here. So we could see it come up here and fill up this non-wick candle and then come around here. But nonetheless, I'm going to keep to this. And we'll see how London opening opens up. Because again, the EMA is right there. And the larger EMAs are below the price. So that's the consideration I'm taking. Of course, that could just be a rejection here to the upside here as well. All the way up here. But nonetheless, I am going to keep these sell stops open here into London opening. We got 4 minutes to go. And I don't mind USD CAD pushing up here. Yep, I don't mind that. But for now, I have this in consideration. So let's take a look. Again, does it reject the 5-minute EMA and come right back down? Or does it continue up here? So if it comes down, I'll be tapped in. Here it comes. Perfectly tapped the 5-minute EMA crossed above. That was the plan before setting the sell stops. And again, 3 minutes to go before London opening here. But here is USD CAD pushing down. Almost about to be tapped in here. Let's see, here it comes. Close. Very close. All right. Just under 3 minutes to go before London opening here. Here it comes. May just get tapped in on this one. And let's see, GJ here. Yep, GJ's pushing up here. But no bottom wick here. So GJ can certainly turn around here. And this would be the range right here. But very, very early here with GJ. Here comes USD CAD again. Nearly about to be tapped in here, but we got 2 minutes to go before London opening. Again, price is moving so fast here, guys, and I had to scale it down to the 3-minute time frame just to kind of see a better view of this range here. A little too small for my liking here, so gonna keep it like that. USD CAD still has not tapped me in. Patiently waiting for this one, and here it comes down. All right, under a minute to go before London opening. Oh, Jude is really pushing above here. Wow. Again, I would consider sell stops right here, guys. But again, with GJ moving up like that, I don't feel comfortable. Here comes USD CAD. And 195. Yep. Just got tapped in, guys. Just got tapped in. Right before seconds before London opening here. Ooh. Here's GJ on London opening here. And USD CAD here. Come on, USD CAD, all the way down. All the way down. Come on. Let's go. No top wick, guys, but with London opening pressure here, can we get it all the way down there? Again, we do understand that the larger EMAs, right, the 2 hour is right there. So can it go all the way for the 2 hour tap here? Nice push. Come on. Come on. Finish it all the way down. Come on, USD. Ooh. Not a good pullback there. And G-Day here. No bottom wick on these two consecutive 5-minute candles. There's a 3-minute candles, but now it's a London opening candle. No bottom wick, but it continues to push above. Could get to the 4 hour EMA, guys. This could go for the 4 hour EMA. So again, not considering that, but here comes USD CAD back in profit. Come on. Can we get the full push this time? Nice push. Nice push. Come on. And you see, guys, this particular trade, we would have to have entered prior to London opening, even if it was a minute before, for this move to happen, because otherwise, it would have been too close of a call to, or not enough distance to set the sell stops, as you would have been tapped in instantly, right? But nonetheless, I believe it can go all the way down here. Come on, USD CAD, a little bit more of a push here. GJ is coming down here, but I think GJ still has a little bit push above. And USD CAD a clean call here, but need a clean push down here to get to the what is it tapping right now? 30-minute. The 1 hour is right there. It can certainly get there, in the 2 hour right there. That's what I'm looking for. The 2 hour, 4 hours right there as well. But 2 hour, I think it certainly can get there. And again, this is a 9.5 pip profit target here, so it's not much profit target here. If I don't feel convinced, guys, I'm gonna take out profit and maybe get out fully here. It is a Monday here. It's an early range formation here as well, but I have an eye on these. So I wouldn't recommend everybody trading these. Just trade these with my guidance here, especially the early range formations, because those can be tricky and you need a lot of more experience with that. But using my experience as an advantage here to benefit everyone here. And let's get this rolling. Come on, a little bit more of a push here. 4 hour EMA is right there. It's about to tap the 1 hour EMA, which again, it can get there. This is a new 1 hour candle here. And here it comes. Come on, nice push. Let's go, USD CAD. Here it goes. All right, guys. Stops at break even. And risk preset up here. If you guys like what you guys see, you guys know what to do. Again, it's the first trade of the week, first trade of Monday here, about halfway there. In fact, guys, I'm going to take some, put my my stops in profit right here at 135,900, right there. And let's see, does it continue rolling? Nice push. Come on. Beautiful setup here. Let's go. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All the way through. 2 hour EMA is right there. And it can even push past that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And clean call, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful push. Again, 2 hour EMA is right at the bottom there. And come on. A little bit more here. Come on. Holding in here. 2 hour is right there. And again, guys, it could push all the way down here. There's a non-wick candle down here. If you want to let runners run, you can. But, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out here. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful push. And just got tapped here, guys. Let's go. All right. That's a wrap for me here. And I'm looking for the sell stops here as well. But, yep. Tap my EMA, the TP here, guys. If anything, I mean, I would have closed out even over here. But got more than what I looked for here. And, yep, perfect. Again, it can certainly reach down here. But for me, the 2 hour EMA is right there. There's a lot of EMAs in this short position. So here it goes. Let's track this. All right, seems like some of you guys already made profit for the week. Nice. First trade of the week. Kept it simple. Understood what happened with GJ here, and right away got the early formation of the range here. Again, this does require experience, so again, I don't recommend everybody trading this, especially early on in your learning of the range ideology. And here we have it, guys. Nice wins. Yes, absolutely. So again, you guys can see how important it was. Sometimes it's critical that you enter a trade at the right time here, because sell stops could only have been set prior to London opening, as we wouldn't have enough time here. And entering, instantly, right? Instant executions may not have been the best fit right after London opening. So you can see how it could have been, more riskier to do that. But again, look at that, guys. It's a larger range drawn here as well. So this larger range was already drawn prior. I had shown you guys. And there's a non-week candle over here, which is, again, from Friday. It could fill that up all the way down here. And the sells or the buys could be a better fit here. But again, we're going to take a look. But perfectly, guys, the range was met. 9.5 pips here, and barely went any drawdown, guys. Look at this. It was maybe what? 0.5 pips in drawdown here, guys. So that's that. GJ with a 4-hour EMA. Still some distance there. Again, we could see price slowing down for both pairs. Not going to look for reversals here, guys, as there's a larger range at the bottom here. But it could range in here because there's a lot of EMAs within this 9.5 pip space here, right? So we'll see that. But guys, a great win to start the week. And again, if you guys don't feel comfortable entering any more setups, start the week fresh. There's a nice 1% for me right here, and I'm satisfied with that, and I don't need to enter any more setups if I don't feel like it. Although I will be continuing the rest of the stream on Zoom here, as I'll take a look for another setup here. I do see something else here, but for the YouTube guys, I am going to end off the stream here. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. Relatively short, but straight to the point, and a win to start the week. So I think that's a great way to start. And I will be back, guys, on YouTube tomorrow. I mean, it was a relatively small stream today, but we got a nice win early on, and we'll move forward that way, right? So again, take care, enjoy. I'll be back here tomorrow, and as always, trade safely, guys.